Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a very useful Google Chrome extension. If you want to split your Google Chrome screen into two parts or three parts or multiple parts, this Google Chrome extension is quite simple. It's just the name is split screen for Google Chrome. So if you search for this, the extension will come, the very first extension. So simply click on that. I have already installed it, and if I simply activate this, so now the icon will appear something like this. So once you activate this, now you can split it to half. So now what it will do, it will split half. So as you see, your Google Chrome screen is splitted into half. You don't need to do it manually. You click on that big small. So now as you see, one on the left hand side, one tab is big and the right side is small. You can even split it in four parts. So four windows will automatically open. So two windows were already there. Two windows were automatically opened by Google Chrome. So now you can actually work in multiple windows. You can open this website right here. You can open a different website in the next tab. So this is very useful extension guys. If you are recording a video, you do need to split your screen into multiple parts. So right here, as you can see right here, we have opened four different websites in four different tabs. So you can do concurrent work at the same time. So this will save you a lot of time, and it's a very useful extension. Automatically, once you click on that, you can actually split your screen into different layouts. And if you want two screens, one, you can even do that as well. So as you see that. So I think it's a perfect extension. So just click on that, and different layouts are there. This is another layout which is there, heads down. This is another layout. So definitely check this extension out.